Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can insert a button to your apps you create on Adalo App Builder in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the app builder here on Adalo, select the app project here from the top. Next, navigate to that plus button in the top left, and here at the top use button or use the shortcut B. After that, position your button on one of your screens, for example here, and that's the default button. You may customize it by left clicking into it. You may go through the setup tab here, expand the button settings, and here, for example, insert the text or rename the text or the text content here, sorry. Format also the text here, choose another font, bold letters, italic letters, insert an icon if you'd like to use that for your button. And here guys, below you may assign an action. For example, if it's a sign up button, sign in, login, and so on and so forth. Click into add action here and choose one of these options. For example, if you'd like to convert that button to the sign in button, hover your mouse over more, hover your mouse over user login and choose, for example, I don't know, logout for instance, right? In this case here, I would also rename that button or the text here so that it aligns with the action, which is logout. In this case, you may remove the action here and expand by clicking to show advanced here if needed. And that's basically it. Confirm the action by clicking into done. You may also customize the appearance of the button below by clicking into the pencil button here. For example, choose between the text button, outline button, custom button. Change the background, the text and icon color, the rounding of the text box or button box here. So guys, that's how you customize, edit and create a button on Adalo App Builder. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.